Hey everyone, so if you work from home or you're running a small business from your living room, the operating system you use actually matters a lot more than people think. And for me, Linux has been the thing that keeps everything running smoothly without crashes, forced updates, or those random slowdowns that happen at the worst possible time. Today, I want to share my top 3 Linux distros that I think are perfect for a home office setup: Ubuntu LTS, Linux Mint, and Zorin OS. I've used them all, and each one has its own strengths depending on how you work. All right, let's get into the first one. So, first up, Ubuntu LTS, and the LTS part means long term support, which is super important if you don't want to reinstall or troubleshoot every year. Ubuntu LTS gets security updates and stability fixes for years, which makes it amazing for people who just want a dependable system for work. If you're switching from Windows before support ends, and a lot of people are, Ubuntu feels like a smooth landing. You get really strong hardware compatibility, which means that printers, Wi Fi cards, monitors, all that stuff usually works right away. There's also a massive software repository plus Snap support. So if your company uses Slack, Zoom, or other proprietary tools, you can install them with a click. And if you ever want to run a small server for backups, files, or development, Ubuntu Server LTS can be installed in under 30 minutes. So, yeah, if your priority is stability, community support, and long term reliability, Ubuntu LTS is kind of the no stress choice. Next on the list, Linux Mint. And honestly, Mint is one of those distros that feels familiar right away, especially if you're coming from Windows. The interface is clean, simple, and distraction free, which is great if you're working long hours at your desk. Mint also includes Timeshift by default, which means you have system snapshots and backups ready to go. If something breaks after an update, you can just roll back. That's a huge peace of mind feature for a home office setup. It even has automatic updates, so you don't have to remember to apply security patches. Just install it, set it up once, and it quietly takes care of itself. And if your computer is getting a little old, the XFCE edition of Mint runs incredibly well on aging hardware. So instead of buying a new machine, you might just breathe new life into what you already have. Mint is perfect if you want a smooth, stable, no nonsense experience that lets you focus on work instead of tinkering. And finally, Zorin OS. This one stands out because it's honestly one of the most beautiful Linux desktops you can install. Everything feels refined, modern, and thoughtfully designed, which makes working on it feel, well, just nicer. Zorin also lets you choose your desktop layout. So if you're used to Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, whatever, you can pick a layout that feels familiar. And if you want even more layouts and customization, the Pro version unlocks extra designs, but the free version is already excellent for most users. What really surprised me is how fast it feels. Apps launch instantly, animations don't stutter, and the whole system stays responsive even when you've got a bunch of productivity tools open. If you want a home office desktop that looks premium, feels snappy, and gives you flexibility in how your desktop behaves, Zorin OS is a fantastic choice. So yeah, whether you want the long-term stability and huge software library of Ubuntu LTS, or the friendly, dependable daily workflow of Linux Mint, or the polished, fast, and customizable experience of Zorin OS, any of these will make working from home way smoother. Just think about how you like to work, what hardware you have, and how much tweaking you want to do, and you'll know which one fits you. Breathe, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know which distro you're using in your home office. See you in the next one.